Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday, and this is my January 2020 wrap-up. This is where I show you what is left over from my kit and the layouts that I completed in the month of January. I hope you guys are enjoying my channel and the variety that I bring to the channel and the variety of products that I use. So just keep coming back, give me those thumbs up, and if you'd like to leave a comment below. All right, let's get started. Now for the month of January, Tracy, one of the other Mini Kit Monday ladies, she was our host and she came up with a bingo board as an inspiration piece. You don't have to follow it if you're playing along over at our Facebook group, which I will have the link listed below, along with the other 5 Mini Kit Monday ladies. Their links will be listed below. And if we have any guests, I will leave their links below, which in the month of January, our guests were Belinda and Caitlin. And they will do a wrap-up as well. Now, in January, I did a page kit within my kit. Therefore, when I do a page kit within my kit, I tend to have more paper product left over. If you go back and watch my other Mini Kit Mondays, you will notice when I do my wrap-up, I will not have as much paper left over. All right, but I did a page kit within a page kit, which I love to do. Here are the scraps that I have left. Nice variety. These items right here will all go in my stash. I will trim this piece so that I can use that. And soon, maybe in March, I will put my kit together using only scraps because it's starting to build up and I only allow myself to keep this much scrap in my stash, and then I have to use it or lose it, all right, or give it away. I have this beautiful flower piece. This is a nice base paper. I have this pretty flower piece. I have this brown cardstock, and then I have this other pretty piece. And most of them are all double-sided. I love this side. And when I put it in my scraps, I'm probably going to make a point to put a little sticky that say use this side because I did not use that side on a layout, and that was my only sheet. So that's the B side for me. If I can take it back out. All right, so that's my paper. So a lot more than I normally have left over. These are my embellishments that were left over. And this is all from the Pink Paisley Again and Again, and it was a full pack, so it is not at all a surprise to me, and shouldn't be to yourself, that I would have a lot of these ephemera pieces or die cut pieces or embellishment pieces, however you refer to your embellishment pieces. And then I saved this card so I knew what was in this pack. So this will definitely go in my stash. I will put that here. I wish when they make these embellishment packs and they put in a cute character like this fox, that they would put a couple of them in there. All right. For my alpha and puffy letters, of course, now this is not unusual and standard. I will always have alphas. They're never going to get killed unless I bring in an alpha set that is fairly empty like this. So this is what I have left. I use quite a bit of this word, and that's called Refresh. This is from Maggie Holmes, the Flourish collection, and I told you guys I had purchased 3 of these. Actually purchased 2 and one was gifted to me. And I used quite a bit there. I still have this full size. I have these beautiful kind of mulberry, blueberry alpha letters. And I'll move them over, and I have these silver ones and pink ones. And for the collective, I have put together a Maggie Holmes collection. So this will be perfect to work on through all year along with this pink. But I will probably put them back how I store them, and I will show you real quick. Matter of fact, I've never shown anyone. So I use this bin, if you can see. It's a metal bin. Can you see that? And store them by color. Can you see that? You know what? I'm going to have to do a video of how I store my products. So they're in this by color, and then I keep the alpha words up in the front. But yeah, that's how I store my alpha letters, is like this, in this bin. And I can only use, again, I limit myself. So if that bin is full, I can't buy any more alphas. There's no reason for me to buy any more alphas. I need to use what's in my stash. All right, now off to the layouts. All right, here we go. Here is layout number 1. And this one was posted over on my channel January 13th. This would be layout 1. And it's called Creepy Crawlers. And my little guy's got his hands in a bucket of worms. And then he's got this icky salamander that is poisonous. And we did not realize it was poisonous until my friend Tracy told me to go tell him to wash his hands and get rid of that thing. So we did. Layout number 2 was posted January 20th. And this is of my dad and my aunt, still happy no matter how old they get. You need to go check out the video where I talk about that. These two have the most positive, energetic personality and funny. All right, and then this is layout number 3, and the process video was posted January 27th. This, I know a lot of you scrapbookers do not like the busyness, but I love this. I know from the distance from the camera to this, it looks much busier than it does in person. But to prevent that, what you could do is make your photo mat larger in white and then maybe add another mat. But I chose to just go with this formula. I do both ways, probably more so with the whiter mat when I have a busy photograph backing onto a busy pattern paper. Another option is to change this pattern paper or add a less busy pattern paper on top of this pattern paper. So make your block a little bit like this, and that would change the whole look. But again, the idea is to have variety in your scrapbook so it all looks different. And maybe the viewer's going to have to look a little bit closer to see what's going on in the photograph. All right, that was layout 3, 2, and 1. If you're not a subscriber, you need to subscribe to my channel. If you're not a subscriber to the other ladies' channels, you need to go subscribe. You need to hit that bell button so you receive notification every time we post. For Mini Kit Monday, we post every Monday of the month, so be sure that you come back if you are not hitting the bell button to get those notifications. And have a fabulous, wonderful day. Be sure that you take some time to scrapbook your memories in a fun, creative way in any type of format that you love or that inspires you to make sure that you are scrapbooking those memories. So it could be a 12 by 12, 8.5 by 11. It could be Traveler's Notebook. It could be an 8 by 8, any size, any type. that inspires you to document those memories. And you can mix it up. Maybe 1 year, or maybe for 5 years you're doing 12 by 12s and you want to switch to 8.5 by 11. Go ahead. You don't have to stop scrapbooking because you are in a different season of your life. All right, I appreciate you all and have a fabulous, wonderful day, evening,